Welcome everybody from your friends at Advanced Alarms. In this video, we will cover all of the basic functions and operations of a DMP 9800 series touchscreen keypad. It is important to understand all of the many functions and icons on your DMP touchscreen display. In front of us here, we have several different features and options for you to view and interact with. Starting on the left side, we can see the current weather forecast for your area, showing the highs and lows for the day, as well as weather conditions for today and tomorrow. In the center of the screen, we see a large shield. This allows us to easily see if the system is currently armed or disarmed. Here we can see that the system is currently disarmed. By pressing on the shield, we can simply arm or disarm the system. We will cover how to arm and disarm the system more in depth in our arming and disarming video. On the right side of the screen, you will see the menu carousel and the up and down arrow buttons. You can scroll through the menu carousel by simply dragging your finger up and down on the menu options, or by pressing the up and down arrows. The menu carousel will give you a variety of options depending on how your system was programmed, like activating your panic, which will send a panic alarm to our alarm monitoring center, turning on or off your door and window chime, resetting your keypad to clear off existing and past troubles. You can quickly and easily select your Z-Wave favorites and turn lights on or off, or lock and unlock doors by a simple touch of the screen. Easy Exit activates your exit delay timer, allowing you to exit an entry zone like your front door while the system is currently armed, without the need to arm or disarm the system first. Options: to adjust your brightness, tone, and keypad volume, and access your keypad, to type in codes or access your system menus and programming. The CMD or command option is very important on this keypad, and is used to access your system menu options like editing user codes. If you would like to learn how to edit user codes, you can click on the link in the video description below. Now on the top right corner of the screen, we can see the system status messages. You may see a variety of messages appear here, such as if the system is ready or not ready. When the status shows system ready, the alarm system is ready to be armed. When it shows system not ready, the system most likely has a faulted zone, which means there is an open door or window, and the system will not arm without first closing that zone or needing to bypass it. We will cover bypassing zones in the arming and disarming video that I previously mentioned. In the top center of the screen, you will see the system status display. These icons also give you quick indications like if your system is ready or not ready, or if there is a system trouble. This one here that looks like an open door indicates that you have your door chime turned on. In the event of a system trouble, a yellow attention list will show up here beneath the system status display, indicating there is some type of fault with your system. You can see that a Tamper Trouble message has also appeared in the top right in your system status messages area. A Tamper Trouble indicates that someone or something has interfered with one of your alarm sensors or has opened the alarm system panel cover or door. If we press on the attention list, we will now see a detailed list of all troubles that currently present themselves and are in need of our immediate attention. You can press on the shield in the top left corner to exit out of the screen. Finally, you will see an LED light located at the top center of your keypad. This light can show you the power and arm status of the alarm system. A solid blue light indicates the system is disarmed, whereas a solid red light indicates the system is currently armed. Behind the LED light is a built-in proximity reader. This reader is used to quickly arm and disarm the system without ever needing to touch the screen with the use of a programmed key fob or card. With a proper understanding of all your keypad's menus and options, you'll find that operating your alarm system is now easier than ever. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also click on the little bell icon to receive updates for when we release new instructional how-to videos on your favorite home alarm monitoring system. Thank you again so much for watching, and we will see you all next time.